Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to check the oil level in your BMW X3. First, start your engine and allow it to reach operating temperature, which usually takes about 10 minutes. Make sure your vehicle is parked on a level surface to ensure an accurate reading. Then, you'll use the iDrive system to access the oil level measurement function. This process is straightforward and helps maintain your engine's health. Once your engine is warm, navigate through your iDrive system. From the main menu, select My Vehicle. This will open a submenu where you can find vehicle status. Click on Vehicle Status to access diagnostic information. Finally, select Engine Oil Level to initiate the electronic measurement. The system will then guide you through the brief process to get your current oil level. After selecting Engine Oil Level, the system will take a moment to perform the measurement. It will then display your current oil level on the screen. A full bar means your oil is at the optimal level and no action is needed. If the reading shows a low level, it's important to add only small amounts of approved engine oil at a time, rechecking after each addition to avoid overfilling. Regular oil checks are crucial for your BMW X3's longevity. Aim to check your oil level every few thousand miles or with every other fuel fill-up. Always use the specific type of engine oil recommended by BMW to ensure proper lubrication and performance. Maintaining the correct oil level prevents potential engine damage and costly repairs. Also, for a cleaner home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.